Welcome to Shri Ram Educational Center, where we offer comprehensive courses in pharmacy, including a Bachelor of Pharmacy and a Diploma in Pharmacy. Connect with us on Instagram or give us a call to learn more about our services. Let's dive into the fascinating world of human anatomy and physiology. In this introductory chapter, we will explore the fundamental concepts that form the basis of understanding the human body. Our objectives for this course include defining anatomy and physiology, understanding the levels of structural organization, learning the characteristics of living organisms, familiarizing ourselves with anatomical terminology, and grasping the concept of homeostasis. Anatomy is the study of the structure of body parts, while physiology focuses on their functions. These two fields are closely related, as the structure of a body part often influences its function. Anatomical planes are essential for understanding the orientation of the body. The sagittal, frontal, and transverse planes help us describe locations and movements within the body. The human body is organized into several levels, starting from the chemical level with atoms and molecules, progressing to cells, tissues, organs, systems, and finally the organismal level, which is the complete human body. Living organisms exhibit key characteristics such as organization, metabolism, responsiveness, growth and development, reproduction, and homeostasis, all of which are vital for survival. Anatomical terminology provides a standardized way to describe the body. It includes terms for anatomical position, directional terms like superior and inferior, and planes such as sagittal and frontal. Body cavities, such as the dorsal and ventral cavities, play a crucial role in protecting organs and allowing for organ separation. They include spaces like the cranial, thoracic, and abdominal cavities. The human body comprises various organ systems, including the integumentary, skeletal, muscular, nervous, endocrine, cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, urinary, and reproductive systems, each with specific functions. Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite external changes. It involves dynamic equilibrium regulated by feedback mechanisms, crucial for processes like body temperature and blood glucose regulation. In summary, anatomy studies the structure while physiology studies the function. We explored the levels of organization, life processes essential for survival, the importance of anatomical terms, and the critical role of homeostasis in maintaining life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the basics of human anatomy and physiology. We hope you found this introduction insightful and look forward to exploring more in future sessions.